generations. Browsers have been home for many front-end applications. There is immense suffering. Days upon days wasted building a monolith UI.
Did you see the UI upgrade feasibility report?
That is bad. This is the 4th app getting scrapped this year.
While the rest of the world has moved to the cloud. But there is a grave danger of apps becoming obsolete. In these dark times, 2 heroes emerge. Raaghu and Pundit are ready to change the world for the modern age. Using the magic of micro front end and the power of design systems.
I am amazed the way you built this front-end app. It's pixel perfect.
Well, I know. I got 3 times more acceleration with these ready-to-use components. Isn't that great?
Bringing the joy of rapid acceleration for development with future-ready web apps. Building a better tomorrow together.